Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM. In my video today, I will demonstrate you approval of change process that is made by multiple people. So in my role, I will play as a manager and also as an engineer. Before we jump in this process, I will jump to the administrator of the system. And as administrator of the system, I set up two people in my team, manager and engineer. And I also set the approval requirement. So my engineer is optional and my manager is mandatory, and everyone is getting notifications. So let's jump back to the item. So I have an item, very simple item, and I am increasing the cost of this item. As I increase the cost, I want actually to create a revision that can be used for this cost. And in order to do it, I, as a engineer, create a change request. So I create a change request, so it will be change order cost increase. Inflation is coming, so cost is up, and I create this cost is up change request, which is attached to change order. So I can see what is happening there, and I can see watch all changes, where from our change it's very simple change, but in case of a complex changes, it might be more that you want to see. Now, and if I want to navigate and see in the dashboard all change orders, so I will see the change order cost increase. Now I can navigate to this one, it's not approved, and I can see an approval workflow, and I can say from my standpoint, I'm approving the change. So as you can see, people can approve in parallel, and my place where I'm making approval, this is my response, is highlighted. I can make edits here. I cannot make edits here, but here I can make edits and I can accept. And now I want to approve it. In fact, I don't know if I can approve it. So I'm trying to approve it, and I'm getting, well, I cannot approve it because my approval is only optional, but not mandatory. So now I can go and switch roles. So let's go to my second role, and I'm currently manager. So as a manager in the dashboard, I'm getting this change order, and I can navigate to approval workflow. From the approval standpoint, I already see that engineer approved it. So now as a manager, I can make an approval, and I can approve change order. So at that moment of time, everything is approved. And if I will navigate to the item, I will see that the cost is up, it's approved. The revision is created with cost is up, and everything is done, and we can use this item which was approved and has an approval revision with changing with the cost increase. But of course it can be anything else. So just to repeat, you get a system in which you can define who is making approvals and what are approval roles. So as a user, you can create change request and change order. You can initiate the change, but who will be approving and who will have a right to approve it and finalize it will be dependent by your role in organization. So that's the simplest process of making change request, change order, and change approval. I hope you find it useful. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you in the next video.